Hey everyone, in this video I am gonna tell you how I passed AJET 900 exam in 7 days only. Myself Somiron Adok and welcome to GuidePoint YouTube channel. As you can see, this is my Azure Fundamentals AJET 900 certification. You can also get this certificate after you pass this exam. I will break this video into 5 main parts. In the first part I will talk about overview of the exam. In the next part I would be talking about the resources that while I was preparing. In the next step, I will be talking about my experience about that exam. After that, I will talk about my preparation strategy, and in the final parts, I will be talking about the steps by which you can schedule your exam. And at the last, I will give you an tips how you can schedule your exam for free. So do watch the video till the end. So without further delay, let's start. So AJET 900 exam is basically an entry level Azure fundamental exam. After passing this exam, you can get overview of the cloud computing, different types of cloud services, and security and privacy that are present into Azure. So this exam is mainly designed for both IT and non-IT person. If I go to the Microsoft for AJET 900 exam, so if you scroll down, you can see there is a skill outline that has been provided by the Microsoft. So if I click on this, you can see different modules that are present inside this outline that you have to prepare for your exam. There are mainly 6 modules that you have to study, and each one has its own weightage the exam. So as you can see, describe the cloud concept has the weightage of 20 to 25%. Inside that module, a lot of different topics are there, like PaaS service, IaaS service, public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud. After that, Azure services modules are there. It has 15 to 20% of weightage. So in this way, there are 6 modules are there in the skill outline that you have to prepare for this exam. Now come to the resources that you have to study, and also I followed during my preparations time. The first thing that I picked up during my preparation is the Udemy course. So if you go to the Udemy website and if you search for AJET 900, then you can get to know a lot of course that has been provided by different teachers. I personally prefer Alan Rodriguez sir's course. As you can see, this is a 13 hours beginners course that you can follow during your preparation. That I followed during my preparation is that the Microsoft documentation. So you can go through these topics also that Microsoft has already given in their path. So you can follow this one. The third one is the free YouTube videos. So some of the free YouTube videos that are present in the YouTube, if you want, I can also give you the links of those videos in the description box. You can go there and you can watch those videos for free. After watching those videos, you have to practice some practice sets. So I personally bought 2 practice sets. One is from Udemy, another one is from practice set that I took from the Udemy is the Scott Duffy sir's practice set. So you can go through that. And another practice set that I practiced during my preparation is it is from the WhoisLab. So in the WhoisLab website, if you search for AJET 900 practice set, you can see this practice set. So it contains more than 380 questions and its price is almost $6.99. So you can purchase it and you can practice it. Now coming to my experience about the exam. This was my first Microsoft exam that I gave from the home. Initially I was little bit worried about that, but you can't believe that it was super smooth. I scheduled the exam from the Microsoft portal, and that process I will also show you at the end. And on the exam day, I logged in before 30 minutes of the exam time. After verification all the documents, a proctor was assigned to me who was monitoring my activities. I got around 30 questions. The number of questions is not fixed. It depends on person to person. You may expect from 30 to 45 questions. Now coming to my preparation strategy. First I analyze all the topics that comes under the exam outline and also analyze the weightage for each of the topic, and based on that I gave time to each and every topic. I used to give around 1 to 2 hours daily before and after my regular office work. At the weekend, I used to utilize most of the time. On the daily basis, I used to watch videos from the Udemy course that I purchased, that I told you, the Alan Rodriguez sir's course. Once I am done with those video tutorial, I bought few practice set. One is from Udemy and another one is from WhiteLab. If you can prepare those practice sets well, I can guarantee you that you would pass the exam definitely. If you feel that this video is helpful to you, you can subscribe my channel and like the video and put a comment to the comment section. Now coming to the steps to schedule the exam. Now if you go to the AJET 900 exam portal and select your country from here, you can see normally Microsoft charges 3696 rupees for the exam. Now I will show you the steps how you can give the exam for free. So click on the schedule with the person view. It will redirect you to the exam registration page. After that, you have to fill some of the basic details like your job title, your name, your address, your city for the first time when you will be scheduling your exam. After that, you have to go to the link tab, and in the link tab you have to give your organization email ID. It may happen that your company has tie up with the Microsoft. So in that case, you can give the exam for free. If you are lucky and if you are belongs to that company, you can give the exam for free. So after linking your account, if you click on continue, another way to give the exam for free is that sometime Microsoft organize free webinar for the Azure fundamentals. So if you can register for that training and if you can attend that, you would be eligible to give the exam for free. That is super cool. So that's it for this video. Best of luck for your exam. Thank you.